everyone, this is Linda with freebiesanddeals.com. Recently I've been spending a lot of time on Pinterest, and one day I saw a screen that looked something like this. This was actually a screenshot that I took, and the person was uploading a lot of images, but they didn't put in a description of the pin, so you have no idea what the picture is about. They did have a website. When you clicked on it, though, there was no picture on it, and it really had nothing to do with the picture itself. So I'm not sure what this person was up to, but I just wanted to really quickly show you how you can pin anything from any website if it does not have a pin button, and also how you can upload your own Pinterest boards. No, wrong. And I also want to show you how you can upload your own images, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is, if you don't already have it, you're going to go over to Pinterest, and you're going to click on Pin It button under the About section, and you're going to install it on your web browser, okay? Now, since I'm in Firefox right now, this gives me instructions for Firefox. If I was in Chrome, it would actually detect that I'm using Chrome and will give me instructions on how to install it for Chrome. So there's a video here that shows you how to do it. It's really, really easy. So you can go ahead and do that. And once you get the pin button onto your browser, you can then go to any website that does not have a pin button and start pinning. Now, I picked Walmart. I didn't know where to go. I actually noticed that Walmart does have a pin button, but this is for demonstration purposes only. So let's say, for example, you're building a board about your favorite electronics or something, okay? So let's go pick on something. And let's pick a TV. Now, for example, maybe you want to showcase all your favorite electronics and you happen to have this particular TV. You're just going to take the Pin It button from your toolbar and click on it, and it gives you a bunch of images that you can upload. So obviously all these images were on that page that we were just on. So I would say let's pick this one, and we click on Pin It. And if you don't already have a board, you can go ahead and create a new board by clicking Create. Okay, you can go ahead and create a new board if you don't already have a board here that you think would fit. So I'm just going to make a random one right now. And then click on Create. So now it's going to click on to this one that I just made up, and it's got all the information here, and you're going to go ahead and pin it, and then you will have to go back and see your pin. Now here you're going to click on Edit, and you're going to, if it doesn't already have a description, you're going to fill one in, okay? And make sure the link is going to the actual website, not the picture. So it looks like it is. So then, okay, it's fine. We'll save the pin. And let's do that again for something else. We'll pick one more here. Alright, let's add a camera to it. To that same board that we just created. just pick this one. Since it already has the pin it button. But we're going to ignore that, remember? So we're going to go up here, we're going to click on the pin it button. And we'll pick this one. And let's say, for example, it didn't have a description, okay? So here's where you're going to put in your own description here, okay? Make sure you do this, because if there's no description, nobody's going to know what it is, and they're not going to click on it, okay? So we'll put that back, and we'll pin it. See your pin, and then you can go ahead and edit anything if you need to, okay? And one other thing while we're doing this, while we just created a new board, I want to show you something really quickly. Go to your boards. Let's find out one that we just created here. This one. Click on edit. And see, there's no description here. So you're going to write a description that describes what you're pinning to your board. Okay, and then you're going to pick a category, and we're not going to do that because I don't want to, categorize, but you will pick a category depending on what it is that you're pinning, okay? And if you can't find something that really matches it, or if you're just posting products maybe from your website, put products under there. Otherwise, click on other. Actually, I would probably put technology here for the electronics, I think. I don't know. Okay, and then you would just go ahead and save. Now, let's say, for example, you have something on your computer. Maybe you took a video on your phone, or you took a picture of your flowers or something. I don't know. And you want to upload them to Pinterest. Here you go, add, upload a pin, and then you're going to browse for something. Okay, and now it doesn't have a description. So you have to write a description in here, otherwise it's going to come out looking like this with no pin description. Okay, if you want people to click on it, and you want people to repin it, you do need to put in a description. Okay, and then pin it. And let's go make sure it's okay. See that now there's not going to be a link. So if you just want somebody to click and view your picture, then you don't need a link. But if it is going to a website, make sure you put that link in here, okay? And then go ahead and save it. So it's all that easy, just using the pin it button on your toolbar, or just by adding. You can add a pin. Actually, go this way. Let's say, let's go back here to Walmart. And let's see if it's going to work. Computer seems slow today. Okay, let's pick this one. And then we're just going to take the URL and we're going to copy it and we're going to paste it in here. And then it's going to pull up all the images that are available on that particular product, okay? And it was this one. So we use that. Again, write a description. And pin it. And just go back to verify things are okay. It's got the link in there. Okay. Let's click on it and make sure it works. And it does. So it's very easy, very, very, very easy. Anybody can do this. Just make sure you fill in that description so it doesn't start, so that everything comes up with a description and doesn't look like this, okay? And make sure that if you're pinning something, it's actually going to something that is related to your pin. Don't pin something that's going to some other website that has nothing to do with your pin. That's called spam. Okay? So that's all there is to it. And thank you very much for watching, and be sure to visit my blog if you're watching this on YouTube. I'll leave the link below the video, okay? Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.